Hey everyone, I'm Sarah from Bullet Train. We build code and AI tools to help automate error-free, production-ready finished artwork in minutes. Creating a campaign brief has teams collating assets and fixing up messy data row by row until it's ready to piece together. We clean up complex campaign data, synthesizing design layouts into 4 critical components, cutting turnaround times and reducing human error. When things start off in a mess, details slip through the net, errors creep in, and one missed detail triggers what feels like never-ending revision loops. Every time an error is caught, the loop repeats until approved. Even then, media agencies and printers could reject the file, and your team has to start over again. This causes significant campaign delays, and with some clients reporting that 80% of material is rejected, each project can face days, sometimes weeks, of wasted time and money. Brief creation often requires cleaning up long spreadsheets containing hundreds of lines of incomplete, incorrect, or inconsistent data. It's unavoidable, time-consuming, and holds up the whole process. Our tools do the heavy lifting, resolving up to 95% of these problems in minutes, so teams can stay focused on what really needs attention. We analyse your campaign visuals, extracting text, graphic and image styles into a spreadsheet where your team can edit copy, substitute images and change colours without having to touch InDesign. To ensure campaign colour consistency, we create an editable master swatch. And using automation, we resize your images for optimum output resolution, converting to the correct colour model and standardising file names. Synthesizing this way means that auditing and compliance documentation is already done. Proofing happens inside the data. So once complete, we bring all of the components together for final processing, and your campaign is ready.